grade, yesterday we learned about adverbs. Today we're going to practice that in our Classroom Practice 5 worksheet. It's in your Tuesday folder and it looks like this. Remember, an adverb was a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It gives us more information. So instead of just saying dogs barked, we can tell you more. So dogs barked loudly, right, outside today. They barked how? Loudly. They barked where? Outside. And they barked when? Today. So adverbs help make our writing way more interesting because we can learn more details. Today, let's review our adverb jingle and then let's get after our worksheet. Jingle 5, the adverb jingle. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb asks how, when, where. To find an adverb, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a verb, adjective, or another adverb. What do I ask? How, when, where. What do I get? An adverb, man. Cool. We'll start Classroom Practice 5 with classifying some sentences. But first things first, double tap your name, make sure it's up there. Let's do these first two together. Exercise 1, classify each sentence. Birds chirped softly outside yesterday. What chirped softly outside yesterday? Birds. Subject, noun. What is being said about birds? Birds chirped. Verb. Chirped how? Softly. Chirped where? Outside. Adverb. Chirped when? Yesterday. Adverb. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. So subject, noun, verb, adverb, adverb, adverb. Sentence 2. This will be a little bit different because very is going to modify loudly. I'll show you. Sentence 2. Fans shouted very loudly today. What shouted very loudly today? Fans. Subject, noun. What is being said about fans? Fans shouted. Verb. Shouted how? Loudly. Adverb. How loudly? Very loudly. Adverb. Shouted when? Today. Adverb. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Excellent. Exercise 2. What are the adverb questions? Think about our jingle. Our adverb jingle, we heard an adverb asks how, when, and where. How, when, and where. And what does it modify? We heard that in our jingle too. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Then we've got a quick review of our vocab. Fill in the circle with the correct answer. If you're not in a particular place, you're just not there, what does that mean? You're amuse, you're absent, you're export, or you're ample. You're not in a particular place. Well, that would mean you're absent, right? If you're not somewhere, you're absent. Then let's look at our editing down at the bottom. We're going to look at why all of these are in bold. So, why is Juan in bold? One, I don't think Elizabeth and I can help you move on a Sunday. Why is Juan capitalized there? Well, it's a name, so above it, just write name. It's also the first word of a sentence, so you can just write first. First word, and it's a name. Let's look at our next one. I. One, I don't think Elizabeth and I can help you move on Sunday. Above I, just put a capital letter I, right? I is always capitalized. That'll be the same thing with right here. What about Elizabeth? I don't think Elizabeth, well, that's a name, right? So once again, name. Then can help you move on Sunday, day of the week. Days of the week are always capitalized. Then let's go to our punctuation. The period. Sentences always end with an end mark, so you can just write end mark there. And then for one, why one is capitalized, we call that, it's kind of like our beginning phrase. Okay, so that's kind of like a direct address too, like you're saying his name, so direct address. So address, right? They're addressing, they're saying, Juan, do this. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things written on top of the sentence, and 1, 2 written on the bottom of the sentence. When you are done, tuck it in your folder, and I'll see you tomorrow for grammar.